everyone, this next tip is just another way that you can be a bit more creative with your videos maybe. So this is a video that I've downloaded from Pixabay, but you might have your own video or you might have found a video somewhere else. And if you haven't looked at a tip earlier about how you can find videos in Pixabay, then look back to one of the previous tips that I've already shared in the group. Now with this, I could often, what I tend to do, if I just go to text, I could just literally write good and then move up here. And then I like mixing the text up. So good morning. Something like that. And, that's absolutely fine. But if you want to be a bit more creative sometimes with your videos, what you could do is go to the squiggly line and make sure the first pen is selected. And I'm going to go to black again. So I'm going to hold the screen and that's going to cover it completely black. So now I'm going to go to the eraser, so the pen on the far right. And so what you could do, so you could obviously make it a bit bigger. If you wanted to, you could sort of tease your audience with, doing a bit of the image. You could maybe add text saying guess where I am. You could do a poll on it maybe, because if you're on holiday or something. If you've got a new post, you could say something like new post. Lots of different things that you can do to sort of get a bit more creative with it. But the other thing that you can do, takes a bit of practice with your writing skills and stuff, is you could just literally do a post like this and then literally write again. It gets a bit fiddly. You could do good and then make it smaller. And again, you could still use the stickers to sort of say, guess where I am, or, ask your audience a question about their day or something, about their morning. But again, it's just a bit more creative because you've got the video, so it's movement in the background as well. So it does sort of grab people's attention, make them stop sometimes and think, oh, what's that in the background? So it's just another way. Again, you can, if you wanted to, you can add, dots to sort of brighten it up a bit and actually show more of the image. Again, practice with it. But yeah, so it's just another way, being creative with your videos and using that block colour overlay. So I hope that one helps, and I'll see you guys in a bit.